Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I am audible to you people?
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, all of
ma'am.
you. Okay. Today we will move to experiment number 3, that is functional English. Okay. Now, first thing that you all have to submit this functional English. I have already shared the class notes with you people. You can see it in the Google Classroom. Just check it once whether you have got or not this functional English PDF. Please just just
Yes,
check all
ma'am.
of you. Okay, you have got.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And previous assignment and all those portfolios, anyone is having any problem who are attending now?
Ma'am, in portfolio making. Ma'am.
Portfolio making, have you not got any of the sample of the portfolios in the mail? Means when you have searched in the Google net, have you not got?
I can't understand, ma'am.
Portfolio is a very simple thing. I have already explained. Have you attended the previous class? I have told you just to put the pic and all those things. You have to write a small sample. Anyone has submitted portfolio from here? Have you all submitted the portfolio? Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
No one. Okay. No one has submitted. But I have got someone. Just let me check once. Yeah. I'm sharing. Just a minute. Wait. Sharing the screen with you. See. Can you? Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
This is. Ayush, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Please follow this one. This is the actual portfolio content, what one should have. Ayush is Ayush. Really, I am saying. What people think, I don't know what is your opinion, but Ayush, really, I appreciate your each and everything. I don't know what about your other subject. But you do everything very perfectly. Khushbu Kumari, are you in the class? Khushbu, are you in the class? No, she's not in the class. Okay. Now, anyone is having any confusion? Now, anyone is having any confusion? Regarding this portfolio? No one? Okay, now I'm sharing the screen of today's experiment number 3, functional English. What do you mean by functional English? Anyone is having any idea about functional English? What does this term means, functional English? What do you mean by functional English? Anyone? Functional English क्या समझते हो? Have you read the grammar book of Rain and Martin? Rain and Martin grammar book? Huh? Hello? Am I
Yes,
clear?
ma'am.
Yeah. Rain and Martin grammar book, how many of you have read? In class 9, 10, I think you have to read this Rain and Martin. Anyone of you? The applied thing. Basically, The thing of functional English is that the applied. That includes various things that covers, there are various topics under this functional English that comes. It is precise writing, which we have already discussed in the second semester. If you have remembered, this essay writing, this dialogue, the dialogue writing as well as this role play. Next, the grammaticals, the practical criticism, the vocabulary. These things comes under functional English. Means it covers basically all the topics that are being applied. Now, you can also say this is the applied grammar, means applied English grammar, which are basically used for just compositions, essay writing. Okay. Now, functional English grammar. First one, man has been using language as a tool of communication for centuries. It has enabled him to interact with environment. As we know, we are different from animals by this only, our conversation power. If we don't have this conversation power, then we have also been an animal. Now, there are certain things that are being, I don't want to read and all those things. These things, please go ahead with you. Just read the paragraph. I don't want to read the paragraph, like teaching and teaching. Okay. Now, next part. Self-help questions. These things I'm going to ask with you people. The self-help questions. How many of you can, means how many of you are confident that you can just give your introduction in a very superb manner? How many of you are? Those who are confident, please speak. But yes, I am confident I can give my introduction in a very well manner. They can unmute yourself. There is no problem. They can unmute yourself by own. Who's confident that he or she can give their self-introduction? Please. Please, any one of you? No one. Why? No one is confident to give their introduction. My goodness.
Chup.
Okay, please. Hello. Anyone has unmuted? No. Good. So I think basically I have to read the paragraph. It is the only motto of the class. Next one. There are certain questions which are given here. Do I find it difficult to start conversation? Definitely, you people are difficult to start conversation. Am I unable to pick a topic? Definitely, when the topic is being given, you are unable to speak. Please, all of you go once through, self-evaluate yourself. I think all the answers will be no for you people. There's 10 questions. Just go through once because I have asked you, I have given chance. You people are not able to say anything. So please read it by yourself. I have shared the screen. No problem to myself. Next, role play. What do you mean by a role play? I've already told you the conversation part, the comprehension part, the paragraph part in functional English, short stories. You have to write the moral of that short story. You have to write the data. Some correcting errors are also there. Some omitted words are also there in functional English. One of them is their role play. What is a role play? Now, role play is a means to correct oneself for our questions. Now, by your own words, I don't know how you will define what do you mean by role play. What is the meaning of role play? Someone will say that a performance that we personally do by ourselves, that is a role play. Your role play, in sense, many things can be there, but it is a personal characteristic that how you act, or it is a technique or a skill. Now, the simple language is that how you behave. Learning by doing is mostly preferred in the process of effective language learning. Role play is the platform where the students improve the speaking English, non-verbal communication, and contextual uses of language makes the student understand how to face real life situation. When we suddenly called upon to make a speech or dialogue or role play, the student may experience a sinking feeling of course. One should precisely study the art of public speaking in countless instances, circumstances, prevent the course of action as we do not secure the essential training in time. We may resort to find sufficient speech examples to meet the demands of almost any normal situation. Now, these are the normal questions of everyday life which I have asked you. No one is ready to answer. So, one suggestion for you people, just improve your speaking power. No one will see your marks. No one will see how good skill. When you will face the interview, the one thing they will see, that is your communication power, how you answer the questions. Further, you will get these things here also in interview skills. After 2-3 experiments, we will have this interview skills also. Now, you will get some time after this first session of the class. At that time, please ready with these questions, these 10 questions. I will ask one by one each question and you have to answer those questions. I think 10-minute time is enough to find these answers, because one have to answer these questions. After that, I will give you an assignment. Now, speech examples to meet the demands of almost any normal situation. Now I will say from grammar, if I ask how many types of speech are there, can you say me how many kinds of speech is there? How many types of speech are there? Speech in English grammar?
8.
8. Can you tell me? Can you name them?
Noun, pronoun,
Yes, ma'am.
adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection.
So how many types is there? 8. Is it 8? Confirm. Confirm. Say confidently yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. There is 8 kind of speech. Noun, verb, adverb, adjective, pronoun, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. Interjection. Conjunction is a very good thing that is being used to join any kind of sentence. So interjection is you. Can you say me interjection? What do you mean by interjection? Wow, alas, oh, hey, hi, ouch. A short exclamation marks is there. है ना? That is the interjection. So there is 8 kind of speech. So when we speak or write something, we uses the parts of speech. Next, here is an example. May you assume that you have just been asked to introduce a speaker. Say I have asked this question. Please introduce yourself. This is my question to you people. So now I will recall one by one your name to introduce yourself, because without your introduction, I cannot move on. So first, Muskan Dubey. Please introduce yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. See, no formality, just introduce yourself. No good afternoon, no, nothing. Introduce yourself. You are free to introduce yourself.
First of all, thank you, ma'am,
Hmm.
for giving me the
No
opportunity.
formality, no formality. Just introduce yourself. No formal words. Introduction means introduction.
My name is Muskan Dubey. I am
Hmm.
from Dhanbad. Let me tell you about my schooling. I studied at Balika Uch Vidyalaya. I completed my junior college education from Syed Saktinath College, and now I am here to complete my BTech in this college. I am very excited to be here. I love playing kabaddi and have represented my school in many competitions. That's all about me.
So let me introduce myself. When you have already told that you introduce yourself, is it necessary to say? Does it necessary to say this line that let me introduce myself?
No,
No.
ma'am.
No. Please use the words wisely. Next, Aryan Kumar.
Yes. My name is Aryan Kumar and I am 18 years old. Regarding my qualification, I am 12 pass out from CBSE board and pursuing my BTech in mechanical engineering. I have 4 members in my family. My hobbies are playing cricket and watching sports. My strength is I am self-motivated, hardworking, and disciplined person. My weakness is that I don't feel comfortable until I finish my tasks. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So Aryan, something I have told you in your second semester, how to introduce one's, your name, from where you are. After that, you come to how many years old you are.
Yes,
Don't
ma'am.
come nextly to from where you are, that is important. Okay, when you are saying this thing, then please use this one, that from where you are, how many years, how many members with whom you live with right now. Because now at time, many persons don't live with their parents, they stay alone. Either they live with their mother, father. Okay.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
that you are saying that when you are including your family, then please also include that how many members in your family and with whom you are living with.
Okay,
And
ma'am. Next time I will.
okay, next Ranjan Kumar. Ranjan
Good
Kumar.
afternoon, ma'am.
No, good morning, good afternoon. Introduce yourself.
My name is Ranjan Kumar. I am 20 years old. I live in Dhanbad. I completed my matriculation and intermediate from DAV Public School, Munidi, and I am pursuing BTech in Mechanical Engineering, Chaibasa Engineering College. There is 5 members in my family, and I live with my mom and dad and sister. My hobby is doing poetry and writing. That's all.
Okay. Jishan Ahmed.
My name is Jishan Ahmed. I am from Jagannathpur, West Mumbai, Jharkhand. I completed my intermediate and matriculation from Government Russell High School, Jagannathpur. Currently, I am pursuing my BTech in electrical engineering from Chaibasa Engineering
Arey
College.
Papa, I am a
My-
student at, when you are pursuing, then tell na simply I am a student at Chaibasa Engineering College. Khatam. Simple
Okay, ma'am.
language. I am a student. When you are a student, that means you are pursuing the degree. That I am a student at Chaibasa Engineering College. Okay, go ahead.
I am a student of Chaibasa Engineering College.
Hmm.
My hobbies is watching web series and following e-sport.
Hmm. And along with your degree, anything, any course you are doing? You can also include that along with my degree. I have these achievements. Okay, you have to, if you are having any kind, that you have to say that along with my degree, I am having this, or I have completed these courses. Or are you doing some courses along with your degree? See, BTech is a degree course. That's right. Next, Abhay Gupta. Abhay Gupta. Abhay, I'm not getting your voice.
Hello.
Yeah, Abhay.
My name is Abhay Kumar Gupta and I am from Dhanbad. I am from Dhanbad.
How many years you are?
I am 20 years old and I purchased my 12
Purchased?
from
You purchased?
no.
Where the
I
degree
did my
sale?
12.
Where this degree sale mela is there? Please tell me, I will also purchase.
गलत word use हो गया.
तो क्या होगा?
I did the 12 from.
No, I completed. I completed.
Okay, ma'am.
You have completed, na 12? So did कैसे होगा?
Yes,
Complete क्या होगा? You have completed. या फिर I
I
have.
complete.
The best word is that
Yes.
I have completed my higher secondary. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Go ahead.
I am completed higher secondary from Syed Saktinath Sijua, and I am currently I am a BTech student from Chaibasa Engineering College.
Good. Very good.
Thank you. ma'am.
Vivek Kumar Giri.
Hello. Good morning,
Yeah,
ma'am.
Vivek. Good morning.
My name is Vivek Kumar Giri.
Yeah.
I am 19-year-old. I
Hey,
am
from
second
which
year.
city you were? Please tell me first. How many times have you repeatedly say the pattern?
Yes.
Repeatedly, I am saying the pattern how you have to give.
Okay, ma'am. My name is Vivek Kumar Giri. I am BTech second year student. I belong to the Dhanbad, Jharkhand. I have
हम नहीं
completed
सकेंगे
12
हम नहीं
degrees.
सकेंगे देखो, when you are giving your self introduction, first greeting, good morning, good afternoon, whatever. After that, name. After that, the place. After that, you can say your age, nationality. Nationality, when you are from India, there is no need to say your nationality. But when you give some other interviews of offices, that time nationality is important. After that, your family background, little bit. After your education, after that, your hobbies. This is a simple pattern of introduction. But in job interviews, this pattern change a little bit. क्या हो जाता है जॉब इंटरव्यूज में? वो पैटर्न कैसे चेंज हो जाता है? अकॉर्डिंगली जब आपके पास कोई ओवरसीज कंपनी का था, दैट टाइम नेशनलिटी आ जाएगा. देयर आर सर्टेन क्राइटेरियाज. Your father's background also you have to include, that is from business or service, that things. Very short form there. They give 1 minute time. That time only you have to say that my name is Aryan Kumar. I am from Chaivasa. I have completed degree from Chaivasa Engineering College and my higher secondary from DBS. About my family consists of 4 members. In my family, my mother, father, my elder brother, sister is there. My father is a serviceman. My mother is a homemaker. And my sister is doing her degree course in CSE or anything. From which place she is doing, that place also you have to say. That's all. 1 minute introduction you will get. Okay. Only 1 minute time you will get. Now it is clear. अब clear हुआ
Yes, ma'am.
कि कैसे बोलना है ना? Next one. Prakhar Gupta. Right now you have joined Prakhar Gupta. Prakhar Gupta, please introduce yourself. Prakhar, introduce yourself. Are you able to hear me, Prakhar?
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Please introduce yourself. Right now you have joined the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Earlier you have joined and left the class?
No, no, ma'am.
Okay. Please stay in the class. How the other your friends are speaking, please listen to them. Okay. And from the next class, try to join at time. Because I have enabled this waiting room. Now who are leaving, they will not be able to enter. That is the main thing. Abhay Gupta. Abhay Gupta.
I am completed, ma'am.
Oh, you have completed. No, okay, sorry. Ayush.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah,
I am
Ayush.
Ayush Kumar. I am from Mihijam, Jharkhand. I have done my intermediate at JJS Inter College, Mihijam, and currently I am a student at Chaivasa Engineering College pursuing electrical engineering. And my hobbies are traveling and reading books, and that's it.
Okay, good. Next is Kanhaiya.
Good afternoon,
Kanhaiya.
ma'am.
Good afternoon.
My name is Kanhaiya Misra. I am from Sindri, Dhanbad. I am 20 years old. I am pursuing my mechanical engineering from Chaivasa Engineering College. I have completed my intermediate from DAV Public School, Hehal, and I have completed my matriculation from Saraswati Vidya Mandir, Sindri. I live with my mother, father, and brother.
There are how many members in your family? First of all, after their mother, father, brother, sister, bhabhi.
I have 6 members in my family.
I have. There are.
There are 6 members in my family.
Yeah.
That's all, ma'am.
Okay, that's all. And your hobbies?
My hobbies is gardening, riding bikes and cars,
And performing
and
stunts. Performing
no, ma'am,
stunts.
not performing stunts. Reading
Okay.
novels.
Okay, performing stunts and accidentally sometimes accidents happen.
No, ma'am.
No, hey, how many boys are there who are having this stunt? I want to know their hobbies. Anyone is there? Because I also like stunts. That's why I'm asking. How many of you boys who are having hobbies like stunts? So जिसको stunts करने का शौक है, make your insurance card First the insurance of your bike, after that your medical card, medical claim, okay? तो मम्मी पापा के ऊपर खर्च कम पड़ेगा, है ना?
Okay, ma'am.
Means that you are having, you are accepting?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. Don't do
Thank
these
you, ma'am.
things. Yeah, thank you. Don't do these things, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Stunts वगैरह मत करो, हाथ पैर टूटेगा, अपने बिस्तर पर रहो. Now this Danish Hussain. Danish Hussain.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you have joined right now. Please tell me about yourself.
My name is Danish Hussain.
Yeah.
I studied in Chaivasa Engineering College from
Yeah.
electrical branch.
Right now
From
you have joined
electrical
the
branch.
class.
Yes, ma'am, because I am traveling.
Where you are traveling?
Ma'am, I am going to Patna, ma'am.
Okay, traveling you were just speaking. Okay, speak. अब traveling में डांटेंगे क्या तुम? बगल बगल वाले भी क्या सोचेंगे?
Ma'am, can we say थोड़ा देर के बाद बोलेंगे मैम?
हाँ, yeah, okay, no problem. Traveling कर रहा बेचारा बच्चा class attend कर रहा वही काफी है. I am very glad to have this type of students in my class. Rohan, go.
Okay.
My name is Rohan Gop. I am from Lodha Srikala Kharsua. There are 4 members in my family. I completed my matriculation from SS
Wait,
High School Rajnagar.
Matriculation के बाद how you have come? Matriculation who is asking for? Your higher secondary degree, otherwise you are having polytechnic or D2D, please say that one.
Okay.
Start from the beginning. अच्छा बोल रहा है.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. My name is Rohan Gop. I am from Lodha Srikala Kharsua. There are 4 members in my family. I completed my intermediate from St. Xavier Inter College, Lupungutu, Chaibasa. I am a student at Chaibasa Engineering College. My hobbies are playing, running, and reading books.
Good. I will not say. I will say very good. Because Rohan, you are out of my expectation. Because first time when I have been with you,
Yes.
you are very poor in English communication. But you have really, I am saying you.
Yes.
बहुत अच्छा. You have improved
Thank you,
yourself. That's why I will say
Yes.
very good. Beyond my expectation, you are.
Yes. Thank you, ma'am.
I will say thank you that you have worked on your English communication. Very good, Rohan. I am really happy with you. Khushbu Kumari. Khushbu? Where is this? Perfume, Khushbu perfume.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Khushbu. The Khushbu, that means a good smell, na, that perfume. Perfume always smells good. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
My name is Khushbu Kumar. I am from Sindri, Dhanbad.
Yeah.
There are 6 members in my family. I completed my intermediate from SPM Inter College
Yeah.
and currently studying in Chaivasa Engineering College, and my department is electrical engineering.
Studying, this I am a student at. It's a very good sentence to be here. That I am a student at. Pursuing.
Yes, ma'am.
ये सब ना बड़ी उधर एक घिसा पीटा टाइप. ये थोड़ा घिसा पीटा टाइप सुनने को आता है.
Yes.
Pursuing. I am doing ना. हो जाएगा ना. अरे डिग्री है, हो जाएगा. 4 साल में लेके निकल जाएगा. Please don't do this time. I am a student at. That means you are a student. Huh?
Yes. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So I'm now coming to this.
And my
thing.
hobby is
Okay. Please stop. Now, next of all, in the second session, I am saying you that what things I will come with you. I will come with you with 10 questions. Already these things are being shared in your Google Classroom. Please go through these 10 questions one by one. I will just ask the answer. I will say question number 1, 2. I will not say the questions also. Just answer the questions. You will just have to read the question. You have to answer yourself. You just read the question by yourself, answer yourself. I will say answer 1, answer 2, answer 3. Okay. Next one. In the next class, you will again get some exercises that you are having an appointment. See, role play is there, but these are the questions which you will having. Yeah, this is the question which you will having for your assignment. These things you have to write either in your white paper, A4 size, or either you can write it, just type it and just put it. Now, please, this thing you don't have to write in your क्या बोलते हैं practical copy. These things you have to write in A4 size paper only. If you are not comfortable, then you can just make a printout of those things and just submit it before the next class. Next one, there is a certain conversation is there. The conversation, making an appointment, how you have to make an appointment. There is a conversation sample for your exercise that is being given. Next, see these things in my class, I don't want to have this reading and writing. I want to have an interactive class with you people so that सुनने से कोई इंग्लिश नहीं सीखता है अकॉर्डिंग टू माय विजन. मेरा माइंडसेट ये कि कोई सुनने से इंग्लिश भर भर के नोट्स देने से इंग्लिश नो वन कैन अंडरस्टैंड. One can only understand, he or she should be good in English when they will communicate with each other. So I think communication class should be interactive. So I'll always try from my side, my effort is there to make you oneself speak, to be interactive in the class. That is my main motto when I take the class of you. Just going and reading the notes and giving you the notes, that is not my cup of tea. Now, there is thing that public speaking. Sometimes what happens, public speaking, we people face lots of difference. We don't know anything about the audience. When time is there, when we speak in front of our friends, that time our confidence level is quite high. But there is always, har ek friend is not a friend. Some friend is there who are always ready to pull your pants. Anna. So you are feared of things that when I will say something wrong, they will definitely pull my leg or pull my pant and make laugh. That makes oneself lowers their confidence level. Next point. Public speaking circumstances. When it is a public, when there is public in the audience, we don't know about the publics, which kind of public is sitting, who will listen to us. That time the afraid level increases to 90 to 98%. Sometimes it is 100%, we are fully ready, but we are unable to speak. So this, see, the level of afraidness fluctuates. If it known that audience level is our friend, then the fluctuation is 50-50. When it is unknown, what is the real life situation or the real life people who they are, then fluctuation level increases. है ना? I am correct. The bar graph का क्या होता है? Bar graph increases and decreases. When the audience are known, then bar graph में fluctuation क्या होता है? Afraidness कम हो जाता है. When we don't know who are the audiences, then bar graph का fluctuation level क्या हो जाता है? Increase हो जाता है. That time we shiver, हाथ पैर कांपने लगते हैं. How well we are being ready to present our presentation. Hey, time is left very less. I think we will join in the next session. Please ready with the 10 questions. One by one, I will come to you. Okay, thank you for joining the first class. Next session, we will meet again.